It's good, right?
Okay.
No, I want to adjust it.
Yeah,
Like,
exactly.
oops, sorry. It's gone too much. Like, yeah. That's not supposed to be heat now.
Yeah, you're not supposed to.
So you're not going to shake,
trying to
right?
Yeah. What is he doing? That means you have to shift it forward.
No, if you shift it backward, it's gonna.
Sure, okay.
You see what I'm saying?
Edge,
Yeah, you just have to capture like right here.
Yeah, it looks good. It looks good.
It's not bad. The size.
We are ready. We are ready.
So the thing is, like my other one, the other one that is coming is bigger than this.
Show me that one. Alright, so this is the end product of this, and so what we intend to do is to have several backdrops, and we can alternate it and, you know, spice it up, you know, vibe it up, hype it up. What are you feeling like? See you.
No, I really like the effect, you know.
What are you feeling like? You like the effects?
Okay, are you done?
I'm done. Anyways, I hope you guys love it. This is the end product, and we are trying. So when you come across our content, because this is what we go through to create content for you all. So please support us. Support us. We bring it real. Bring it cool, but you gotta give us a cup of water by supporting us. When you see our video, watch it and share. Love you guys. Mwah. Something cooking for Mr. Igodo, but I'm not gonna let you know yet. I'm not going to let it. Who let it out? Ooh, ooh.
Okay, let me do this quick. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch what I'm gonna do now.
It's exporting.
It's going here now.
Where can I take me? They do yeah.